Hello, do you go to supermarket?
Okay, let's go.
Do you have any plans to go anywhere today? Should we go shopping?
Okay, same time. Let's
Little baby, I'm so in love with you.
Sure.
What? I know.
Okay. My phone and iPad.
Yeah. Ooh.
The bear?
Wow.
It's ready. You go.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hello, customer. Welcome to the bag. Which one do you want? Okay. You can try it. You can try it. Okay, right?
Oh my god.
So cute.
Wow.
Luxury. Here, you want?
This one.
Okay. This one.
Mm.
Oh wow. It's good on you. Okay. This one.
You.
Wow. This one. Oh wow. Yeah.
Oh my god. You.
You want all? You want all? Yes, you. Okay. Bye.
Oh my goodness.
This one. You want?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. You're so cute. Wow. Luxury.
So cute.
Oh my god.
Beep. 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 Beep.
The charge will tell you.
Oh my god. 10 million.
Can you know the price? This is a promotion from the store. From 10 million review to 8 million. Are you into it?
Do you friend think it's good?
Okay.
I take this all for my friend.
Could go ban for ban. Fuck me, we can go M.
You're so beautiful. Thank you. Brian, thank you. Brian,
Oh my god.
Brian, thank you so much.
Goodbye.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the blue.
Go to the bar. Okay. Fresh, the bar. Fresh. Good morning. Good morning. How I help you today? I'm looking for some fresh vegetable. How much? This is 10 baht. Very fresh from the farm this morning.
Wow.
So good. Great. I take two. 15 baht. Can I take one? Yes. Here you go. Thank you.
Very good. I take 2 kilo.
Can you give me a little discount? Normally it's 13 baht. I give it to you for 25.
Thank you. The next is
by 20 baht.
Wow.
Can I get 3 pies for 50 baht? You're good at bargaining. Okay, deal. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You're so kind. Okay, you're welcome. Come back anytime.